time there's a mistake, every time there's a failure, every time there's something that we can grow out of. And that is why we are studying wicked men of the Bible. And kung tutusin po, kung tanungin niyo po ako, this would be my very, very, siguro, impossible situation na nandito po ako sa harap niyo ngayon, nagsasalita. Bakit? I too am a wicked man. Okay? In fact, if you knew me a few years ago, you would be surprised. Bakit nagsasalita yan dito ngayon sa stage? Why? Because a few years ago, more than a decade or two ago, I was a wicked man. You know what? My life consisted of alcoholism. Every night po ako lasing. And more than that, I was hooked onto drugs. But I was a high-performing addict. Bakit? Kahit na nasa school,